Have you ever wondered about the cost difference between CMMS and manual maintenance management in manufacturing? Let's start by unraveling the concept of maintenance management in the manufacturing industry. This crucial process has two primary forms: the computerized maintenance management system and the traditional manual maintenance management. Each of these systems carries its own cost implications, and understanding these costs can significantly impact how businesses operate. So, buckle up for an insightful journey as we delve into the cost comparison between CMMS and manual maintenance management in manufacturing. First, let's explore what CMMS is and how it impacts costs in manufacturing. A CMMS is a software solution that ushers maintenance operations into the digital age. It's like having an intelligent assistant that keeps track of all the intricate details so you don't have to. One of the key benefits of CMMS is operational efficiency. By digitizing maintenance operations, CMMS minimizes human error and accelerates processes. It's like upgrading from a horse-drawn carriage to a high-speed train, zipping through tasks with precision and speed. Another advantage is the ability to glean valuable insights through data analysis. With CMMS, you can harness the power of your data, transforming raw numbers into actionable strategies. It's like having a crystal ball that can predict the future of your operations, allowing you to make informed decisions. Let's not forget about scalability and adaptability. As your business grows, CMMS grows with you. It's flexible, capable of adapting to changing needs and expanding with your enterprise. It's like a well-tailored suit, always a perfect fit no matter how much you grow. Now, what about the costs? Implementing CMMS involves purchasing the software and training staff to use it. Yes, the initial cost can be higher than traditional methods, but consider this: CMMS can significantly reduce failures and increase uptime, leading to substantial cost savings in the long run. It's akin to investing in a high-quality tool that pays for itself over time. So, while CMMS might require a bigger initial investment, its long-term benefits can outweigh these costs. Now, let's have a closer look at manual maintenance management and its cost implications. Manual maintenance management is a system that's heavily reliant on human-driven processes and physical documentation. It's the traditional way of doing things, and while it may have its charm, it also comes with its fair share of challenges. One of the major challenges is scalability. As your operations grow, so does the load on your manual system. This could mean hiring more staff or dealing with an increase in paperwork, both of which can be costly and time-consuming. Another challenge is inefficiency. Manual systems are prone to human error and can lead to inconsistent data recording. This can cause hiccups in the workflow, leading to delays in maintenance tasks and, ultimately, affecting the overall productivity of your operations. A lack of real-time data visibility is another issue. In a world where instant access to information is key, manual systems fall short. This can make it difficult to make timely decisions, potentially leading to increased downtime and higher costs. When we talk about costs, setting up a manual system might seem like the cheaper option at first glance. There's no need for hefty software investments or extensive staff training. However, the operational costs can add up. Think about the time spent on data entry, the cost of physical storage for all those documents, and the potential losses from human error or downtime. In conclusion, while manual maintenance management might seem cheaper initially, it could end up costing more due to inefficiencies and the lack of scalability. It's a case of short-term gain versus long-term pain. And in the fast-paced world of manufacturing, it's crucial to think long-term. In the end, the choice between CMMS and manual maintenance management comes down to your specific needs and long-term business goals. As we've discussed, both have their own cost implications, immediate and long-term. You might be initially drawn to the lower upfront costs of manual systems, but don't overlook the potential for efficiency, scalability, and valuable data insights offered by CMMS. The return on investment could be significant. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, your manufacturing efficiency is our top priority,